guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuned in to Beauty by Keely. Definitely want to do more eye tutorials and more makeup tutorials and everything, so this video is going to be a makeup tutorial. Now, I have been working with a brand that I actually bought their palette a long time ago, but she always shares my looks and everything. She offered to send me another palette, and that brand is Lifesave Her Cosmetics. It will be in the description down below, and I'll show you her palette. It looks like this, and her brand is like Lifesaver themed, so it's really cute, and her palette is always colorful, and it's really pigmented. I love this palette, love. But she always sends me creative looks to try with her palette, so she sent me another one. I'll be putting it right here, and this is going to be the one that I attempt. But I'm just going to try to do a eye look today to kind of get a feel of it, and then maybe I'll do the whole look, and then maybe I'll do a whole look later, or do the whole look later. I just got off work, but I did wear makeup to work, so I'm actually kind of starting with a base, but since it's just gonna be an eye, you know, I'm gonna reiterate the eye, you know, kind of dress it back up a little bit, and then we gonna do this eye tutorial. But before we get into the video, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Because if not, what are you doing? What are you doing? So the palette I'm actually going to be using to achieve this look, between a mixture of hers and this one that I just got off of Amazon, and it's from the brand UCanBe, but it's exotic flavors, and it looks like this. Look at that, that's so pretty. So I really wanted to try this out to see what it would look like if I did a look with this palette, and you know your girl can't wait. But yes, I will link it down below as well if you are interested in purchasing this palette. I purchased it with my own money. No, I'm not sponsored. I just really wanted to try it out because it's cute. It's cute, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial, okay? really crazy, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit that thumbs up button, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any more uploads from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.